Hi, in this video gonna learn how to start trading forex, but before that we must know about the spread, lot size, pip and money management, and also same time we will come to know little bit about the MT4 thing. So first let me show you, there is a option called one click trade. Mean you can put your lot size here, and based on your setup you gonna buy or you gonna sell, something like that. But to activate this option, actually you have to go to the tools option and go to the option, and when you are in the option, what you can do is there is a trade setup, and in the trade you have to select this one click trading. So that is the thing will activate this option, unless you will not be able to actually use this MT4 thing. And after setting up these things, so you are ready, but of course you must need to know the spread, lot size, pip, money management each. So for that you have to actually you can get this information, what is lot size, pip and spread. So in the tutorial section, if you go to the pip thief option, actually you will find this video that is called what is lot size and pip thief style. So I'm not actually trying to say you that you gonna trade pip thief style, but we are learning mastering FXHi5, so we will teach you a strategy where you can trade a 5-minute chart based on some patterns. Yes, it's similar to pip thief, but if you want to know about pip thief, obviously this is the section actually you can able to see the video. But this is not, I'm not trying to pushing you to actually register for pip thief. It's not for that. But if you are interested to learn about pip thief, because I talked so many things about markets and all those kind of thing in detail here in pip thief, but for you can bypass this, or it's up to you. You gonna learn pip thief, or you gonna only learn FXHi5, mastering FXHi5 and then start trading. So I will recommend you to see this video, so you will understand the spread, lot size, pip, and also the calculator where we actually talked about the money management and all this kind of thing. So it's better that way. And also with the zip file of mastering FXHi5, a calculator came. So what you have to do is you have to upload the calculator file to your Google Drive, so automatically the calculator will start working for you. The calculator I have talked about here actually already in your hand, so you can upload the calculator to any of your Google Drive and view it as a spreadsheet, and then you can use that calculator also. So this is a very good example video, what is lot size, spread, pip. It will clear your thoughts and all those kind of thing. So in upcoming video we gonna able to actually use that information and jump into our setups and all those kind of thing. I mean, I can actually show you guys the strategy I'm gonna tell you in mastering FXHi5. So that will be based on this information, so it's highly recommended for any trader and all those kind of thing. And also same time in next videos, upcoming videos, we gonna actually start learning about the FXHi5 CV indicator, why it is, and also there is a line indicator, line alert indicator, which is very useful for finding setups, and also same time you already have the pivot point and support resistance indicator with yourself, so it will be very easier for us to find our setup. So in upcoming videos I'm gonna actually show you guys the strategy what we want, but before that obviously this information you must need to know. So thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video. Take care.